Hi there. Always wanted to do that. Remember Freddie Boom Boom Washington, that character from Welcome Back, Kotter, back in the 70s, back in the day? Every time he made a grand entrance, he would go, hi there. Well, hi there, ladies and gentlemen out there in movie and TV land. My name is Tony Mitchell, and I'm here to talk to you about being the next Mr. Movie Phone. Why I want to be the next Mr. Movie Phone? I believe I got the voice for it. I mean, hey there, or welcome to Movie Phone. Press 1. Because, I do announcing, I do hosting, I am an actor. I studied, I had 4 years of college studying film at the School of Visual Arts, 16mm filmmaking. I worked in video post-production for over 20 years. And the thing is, I just love film, everything about film. I love to talk about film, the old movies, the new movies. Okay, I mean, let me, to name a few, I would say like Louis Buñuel, Luis Buñuel, Alfred Hitchcock, Akira Kurosawa. Great stuff. You have the Seven Samurai that he's done? Let me think. Like the old black directors like Oscar Micheaux, Melvin Van Peebles, Gordon Parks, who did Shaft. Remember those black exploitation flicks? Hey, that was my stuff right there. Those guys didn't take no mess. You know why? Too many brothers were dying 2 minutes into the movies. You know what I'm saying? So we needed some brothers to stand up and act like they Clint Eastwood and knock some people out. You know what I mean? But also I like the new movies as well. Even the old slasher classics. Remember this one? Maniac with Joe Spinelli? Of course I like Halloween, like all that stuff. You know, you have the Jasons, you got the Alex. The thing is that I never understood, how did these dudes always catch their victims? I mean, come on. It's either they're having sex, they should think, okay, I'm going to get stabbed in the next scene. And the girls, when they go running, this dude can't run. I mean, he's dragging like this with the big machete and whatnot. And what happens? The woman falls, falls, and who gets it? Whether it's Freddie, Alex, or Jason, they cut him up. Ladies, learn how to run without falling. Anyway, I love those old slasher horror flicks. Remember this one, Attack of the Killer Tomatoes? Now, to me, they could have solved the problem in this movie very quickly. Just get a nice steak knife, stab that joker, cut that tomato up, and have yourself a nice salad. You know what I mean? And on. If you want to talk about television, one of my favorite television series is Dexter. I believe he could give Hannibal Lecter a run for his money. That's right, because Dexter was a blood splatter expert, worked for the police department. This guy, let me tell you, he's a serial killer. His father raised him up because his father discovered when Dexter was younger, he has a pretty good knack for killing things. So instead of wanting to see his son go to the electric chair, he trains his son in martial arts, becomes a computer geek, he joins the police department with these great skills in tracking down serial killers, and he's sort of a serial killer vigilante. You know what I'm saying? He solves the crimes that the police department can't solve. But it's a great paradigm shift there, because he's always trying to figure out, am I a good guy, am I a bad guy, I'm doing something good for society, that sort of thing. He's trying to figure himself out, trying to be normal. But you wind up rooting for this guy. Now, usually serial killers, you don't root for them. You usually hate them. Now, I know in the case of Hannibal Lecter, I don't know if they're rooting for him or not. I always root against them. They never seem to get that old guy. So how come you can't kill that old dude? I mean, give me a break already. But I think Dexter will give him a run for his money. Now, the new Hannibal series that's on now with Lawrence Fishburne, hey, man, good show. At least he's a little younger. But again, my name is Tony Mitchell. I want to be Mr. Movie Phone. Give me a call. Check me out. All right? Did I say give me a call? What about give me a vote? I just want to be Mr. Movie Phone. Peace.